a little garage find here. All these doors in this old building. Freaking little walkway. Let's see what we can find down here. This is the kind of stuff people dream to find. Hidden in these old buildings. Oh yeah, I see some stuff. Oh yeah, we got old 57. Bust it out the window. We got all kinds of old goodies in here. Old 5-window coupe. Old flathead. What we got back there? Old 40 or something. Another old 5-window coupe. Man, there's all kinds of stuff piled back here. Oh, there's stuff over there. And this 57's pretty nice. Oh, I think I know what that is. Old 36 Ford flathead motor there. Man, there's some cool stuff in here. '53 5-window. Smokey and the Bandit. And there's some cool stuff down here. Old 2-door Plymouth. Another old Chevy. Another one. Got back there some old par stuff maybe. Oldsmobile. Back in the dark corners. Some old Oldsmobiles. Old 2-door slope nose. Once I saw upstairs there was an old 1970 Mach 1 428. All original, green, black stripes. And someone said you gotta go downstairs. There's some old stuff downstairs. Old 54 maybe. This stuff's just been sitting here for years. Man, only a few people get to come down and see this kind of stuff. Oh yeah, there it is right there. 2-owner, 36 Ford, Roadster, all original, not made, real deal, Washington car its whole life. This old guy that's got it now is the second owner. He said it took him forever to get off the first owner. It wasn't until he passed and his son got it. And his son didn't want anything to do with it, not even interested in the car. Man, I wish there was some better light. Man, this thing is nice. All original. Runs and drives. I've already put my note into this guy. Said I'd appreciate it just as much as he did. If I could be the third owner, that would be awesome. This thing's all original paint. Super clean. If you could get the dust off this and get some light on it, that's the real deal right there. All this stuff is. Not finding nothing like that too much. Another Roadster back there. All this stuff's just sitting, collecting dust. Been down here for years. A buddy of mine was doing some work up on the exterior of the building, and oh man, this stuff's cool. Got dibs. Hopefully one day I can have this in my garage. Man, there's a lot of cool stuff down here. Sitting over there waiting for me. So dark. Need a flashlight. Guarantee there's a bunch of guys on TV that love to know where this garage is. Not that the guy's gonna get rid of anything anytime soon. But as he starts slimming out the herd, there'll be some lucky people getting their hands on some of this stuff. Hope I get to be one of them. Underground it stays. Eleganza, 77, 76. Some of the best years. Old Manx. A peek of some of these cars up here. Oh yeah, right here. A 68 Cadillac with a 14,000 original miles on it. So 428 Mach 1 fastback, real deal, all original.